How to in chat on Bumble. Hello everyone, this is Reshma and welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you how to in chat on Bumble. Before getting started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, you need to go to your Bumble application and make sure you are already logged into your account, as this kind of screen interface will be shown on your screen. Here, swipe it right if you like the profile, or swipe left if you don't. If you tap on the heart figured icon, then you can find the list of accounts who are interested in you. Then we need to go to the chat icon on the bottom. So these are the matches I got on Bumble. If something happens that makes you feel unsafe and uncomfortable, please report that account. Or however, if we are not feeling any connection, then you can in chat by unmatching that account. So to unmatch the user, first open your conversation with them. So this is the conversations of both of us. Next, tap on the three dot which is on the top right corner. Now tap on unmatch. And when you unmatch someone, you won't be able to contact each other and won't be able to see each other's profile. If you are sure to unmatch that person, tap on unmatch option, and this is the way you can in chat on Bumble. If you found our video informative and easy, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and also press the notification bell so you won't be missing any update from us. So this was it for this video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.